Miss Nightingale?
That's me, Mr. Big Bear.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Red wine? Shall we have a drink first?
Why isn't he here yet?
The wine's poured. Come sit.
He's in the lobby. No rush on the wine. I've waited so long. Hug me first.
I'm coming.
What are you doing?
Boss, why are you here?
Ask her. Right, Sophie?
Sophie?
Mike, stop lying. We agreed we'd tell him together. Sorry, Chase. Nothing can stop us now.
That's not true, boss. I swear. I had no idea it was Madam.
I believe you. What? If I can't trust you, I trust no one.
Dude, what is this?
You trying to make me jealous? Congratulations, you did. You're insane.
Got it. Couple drama. I'll go.
Your bonus. Triple it.
Yes, boss.